Welcome to my channel. My name is Kazim Abbas and you are watching my YouTube and Facebook channel. Hope all of you are good. Let's start today. Hey guys, today I will show you how to change the resolution of the computer. Just go to the desktop and right click display setting and you will see the display resolution recommended. The big one is the best, but sometimes you require to reduce the resolution. Maybe you are using the projector or you are using some monitor or some another screen which is not compatible with 19201080. So you can change in this way. Just select, it will be implement. Ask you the keep changes. If you want to keep, you should click here keep. Otherwise, you can click the revert and you will go back as before. That's it. Hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you so much.